I am starting off with the foundation. First, I spread the foundation with the help of my finger. Then using a makeup sponge, I blend it out. I am applying some concealer under my eyes, around my mouth and over the spots that I have got. To set my concealer, I am applying some setting powder. Now I am applying some creamy blush. Today I am only using my finger to blend the blush. For eyes, today I am using this brown shade. Now I am adding some glitter to it. Now I am creating a very thin wing, applying some mascara, and to finish up this look, I am applying this lipstick. Hope you guys have fun watching this video. See you in next video. Bye.